Icon design is an important part of the UI UX design process. An outstanding and an impressive icon works as a beautiful cover for a book. While we don't encourage you to judge a book by its cover, an icon, on the other hand, is a critical element, is highly relevant to the conversion rate of your product. Here are 4 tips that we use in our design, and we believe that you should be using them as well. The first is recognizability. An icon should be simplified so as to not increase the mental burden of the first-time users. It should also be recognizable at a proper level to stand out among the crowd, or in this case, the App Store. The second is relevance. An icon you design should be relevant to your product. Most apps use the company logo as the icon to establish connection and relevance, and you will find app icons adhering to the theme color of a particular brand. Take a look at Google's products. All Google apps like Gmail, Google Home, Google Photos, Calendar, all use yellow, red, blue, and green. Some companies also use mascots in their icons. TripAdvisor uses an owl as its icon, and Waze uses its iconic soul on wheels symbol. The third is differentiation. You don't want your product to become free ads for your competitors' products. So make sure that your product icon is different from your competitors in the market. Using a bird picture against the blue background will get you nothing but lawsuits. Finally, when you have an icon, test it at the App Store and make changes if needed. You will not know how your designs will appeal to the users unless you let data do the talking. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is Sam. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.